Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to unlock or access the gold pass in snake.io. If you want to unlock premium rewards in snake.io, the gold pass offers exclusive skins, coins, diamonds and other perks. First of all, launch open the snake.io game on a device to get started. From the home page of snake.io, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the Starter Pass button in gold color. Now on the next page, you will be able to see there are several tasks you must complete in order to access the gold pass. If you have got any rewards, tap the collect button to collect them. In order to reach the gold pass, you'll need to finish all of these tasks. To activate the gold pass right away, tap the activate button at the bottom left, and then you can go ahead and make a payment of $2.25, or you can also add a payment method if you haven't already and complete your purchase with your provided payment method. Soon after you do that, you will be able to activate the gold pass. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.